Checks and reviews are signals of lack of trust and lack of skills. Having proper skills and training, along with building a culture of accountability, reduce the need for multiple checks and reviews. Why should a purchase order be approved and signed multiple times before getting to the vendor? Challenge these activities and build the necessary skills to eliminate this type of waste. This principle is in line with the previous one. If senior managers are required to sign off documents they don't know about, why should they do so? Push sign off and approvals to the lowest level possible by building skills, trust, and accountability to those levels. For instance, a quality checklist of a product always requires the signatures of the foreman, the production engineer, and the quality supervisor. If the production engineer's signature does not add value to the checklist, push sign off to the foreman only. Reducing inspection and rework is achieved by instilling the culture and environment of doing it right first time every time. Investigate upstream activities that cause defects and rework to downstream ones. Challenge these activities and eliminate the root causes of these defects such that the value flows without the need to inspect and rework products. Deploy the concept of poke-yoke, which is a Japanese phrase for mistake proofing, to prevent the defect from flowing to the next steps in a process. Along with root cause analysis and mistake proofing techniques, standard work procedures, training, and accountability all contribute to reducing the need for inspection and rework. Simplification of activities is a broad principle in lean thinking. However, in this context, I would emphasize introducing automation in the process. Look for activities that can be automated to reduce process cycle time, reduce the burden on people doing them, and produce quality and consistent output. Especially in service industries, office workers spend hours extracting and cleaning data. Think of converting these activities into automated procedures performed by programs and robotic solutions. Throughout my career, I've created hundreds of robotic solutions that have cut down hours of manual work into minutes or even seconds. Robotics and automation is the future of improvement. Leverage the technology in your process improvement endeavors. Organizing processes by the process rather than by departments involves the shifting from traditional organization to the matrix or process-centered organization. If a process is cross-departmental, try to combine all process employees together and assign one process manager to it such that people work towards a single goal of getting a quality output. A good example on that is the customer complaint process that involves people from customer service, quality control, and the production department. It is natural that each department will defend its own stand whenever a complaint is raised by the customer, which may result in conflicts. But that would not be the case if representatives from such departments are combined in one process with one process manager to work towards one goal of resolving the complaint and pleasing the customer. The last principle in the work structure group is centralizing shared services. A shared services center is a centralized unit within an organization that provides a range of common support services to various departments or business units within the same organization. The goal of this unit is to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance service quality by consolidating and standardizing these support functions. A shared service center brings many benefits to the organization, such as consolidating common functions like finance, IT, and human resources. This reduces redundancy and eliminates the need for each department to handle these functions independently. It also standardizes processes and procedures across the organization to ensure that all departments receive consistent and high quality services. By centralizing and standardizing services, organizations can achieve economies of scale, which results in cost savings due to reduced staffing needs, optimized technology usage, and better negotiation power when procuring goods and services. There are many other benefits from centralizing shared services. So, think of your process if it can be combined or centralized at other location or to other staff to achieve benefits of the shared services concept.